Indian Railways is poised to launch the country's first Vande Bharat sleeper train in the first quarter of 2026, marking a historic expansion of the popular Vande Bharat series into long-distance overnight travel. The inaugural service will operate on the Howrah-Kamakhya-Guwahati corridor, connecting West Bengal and Assam with high-speed, premium sleeper coaches. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to flag off the prototype service from Malda, West Bengal. Traditionally, Vande Bharat trains have been short-distance, daytime services with air-conditioned chair cars. The new sleeper version is a milestone in Indian rail transport, offering enhanced comfort and speed for journeys of many hours, a segment long underserved by modern rail travel. However, some analysts and rail experts are calling for balanced rail expansion, suggesting that while the Vande Bharat sleeper is welcome, there should also be continued investment in other long-distance services such as Amrit Bharat Express trains to ensure comprehensive nationwide coverage. Features and passenger experience. The upcoming Vande Bharat sleeper is being projected as a high-end overnight travel option, offering several distinctive passenger-focused features. The train will operate with fully air-conditioned sleeper coaches only, with no provision for unreserved or non-AC accommodation. It will feature multiple travel classes, including 1 AC, 2 AC, and 3 AC, equipped with ergonomically designed berths aimed at improving comfort during long journeys. The 16-coach train set will provide approximately 823 sleeping berths, comprising 11 coaches of 3 AC, 4 of 2 AC, and 1 AC coach. Passenger comfort has been further enhanced through better sleeping arrangements, upgraded bedrolls, and modern, aesthetically designed interiors. In terms of safety and ride quality, the train will be equipped with Kavach automatic train protection, advanced noise-reducing suspension systems, and enhanced cleanliness and sanitation standards. Railway officials have also stated that the onboard services will include regional cuisine options and uniformed staff, aimed at improving service quality while reflecting local culture. Fares and reservation system. The fare structure and booking system of the Vande Bharat sleeper has attracted significant attention. Notably, the train will operate without rack, reservation against cancellation, or waiting lists, ensuring that all passengers receive confirmed berths at the time of booking. The Railway Board has implemented an airline-style dynamic pricing model, with fares expected to be higher than those of conventional long-distance trains. Ticket prices will vary based on distance travelled and class of accommodation, and only passengers holding confirmed tickets will be permitted to board the train. While this clear and structured reservation system is expected to reduce uncertainty for travellers, it may also result in increased travel costs, particularly on longer routes, when compared to traditional express services. Broader network and future plans. The rollout of sleeper variants is just the beginning. Railways plans to extend Vande Bharat's reach, producing more sleeper rakes and exploring further long-distance routes. Locomotive and coach manufacturing hubs like ICF Chennai are gearing up to produce additional sleeper train sets, part of a broader plan to operate hundreds of modern train services nationwide. A new maintenance and testing facility dedicated to Vande Bharat sleeper coaches is also being built at Jodhpur, Rajasthan, expected to be operational by mid-2026, underlining the long-term support infrastructure behind this project. The Vande Bharat sleeper is set to transform overnight rail travel in India, with modern amenities, premium fares, and a strategic focus on comfort and efficiency. It reflects Indian Railways' push toward modernization and nationwide connectivity, even as discussions continue about pricing, accessibility, and broader network expansion. The launch of the Vande Bharat sleeper marks a defining milestone in the history of Indian transportation.